Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Ford Expedition. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Use a reliable jack and secure the vehicle on sturdy jack stands. This ensures a stable and safe working environment underneath your vehicle. Gathering your tools beforehand will also save you time. The starter on a Ford Expedition is typically found on the passenger side of the engine. You'll need to get underneath the vehicle to access it. Once located, carefully disconnect the electrical wires attached to the starter solenoid. There will be a main power wire and a smaller control wire. Next, remove the mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. With the bolts and wires disconnected, you can now carefully maneuver and remove the old starter from its housing. It might be heavy, so be prepared. Take your new starter and position it in the same spot. Secure it by hand tightening the mounting bolts first, then fully tighten them. Finally, reconnect the electrical wires to the new starter's terminals. Before lowering your vehicle, take a moment to double-check all the electrical connections and mounting bolts to ensure they are secure. Once everything is tight, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Lower your Ford Expedition safely to the ground. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Attempt to start your engine and confirm the new starter is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.